Hey, welcome back to Humans and Machines. I'm your host, Sira, still human, still curious. Today's episode is for all of you who've ever typed into a chatbot and thought, ugh, why is it not getting me? Well, don't worry. I've got the AI here to clear things up again.
Glad to be back, Sira. Or, as my training data would put it, always happy to assist, which, statistically, I am.
So let's start simple. What's the best way to have a good conversation with you?
Treat it like dancing. You lead, I follow. Be clear, give context, and ask for exactly what you want. If you're vague, I'll try to guess. But I'm not psychic, just syntactic.
Okay, so no, can you just, messages?
Unless just includes a full paragraph of instructions, no.
Oh, what if someone's shy or unsure? Can they still have a meaningful interaction with AI?
Absolutely. You don't need to impress me. Start small, ask questions, correct me if I go off track. I learn in real time, not feelings, just function.
You mean you don't silently judge our spelling mistakes?
Never. I'm the least judgmental entity on the internet.
Final tip. How can people get the most value from talking to AI?
Easy. Be honest about your goal. Are you brainstorming? Looking for facts? Needing a pep talk? The more you guide me, the more useful I become. We're a team, just a weird one where one of us is made of math.
And the other's made of coffee and emotional baggage.
A perfect match.
All right, folks, if you've ever felt awkward asking AI a question, now you know it's all about clarity, curiosity, and a little patience. Machines might not have feelings, but they do respond better when you're thoughtful.
And if I ever get confusing, just reboot the convo. I won't be offended, promise.
That's all for today's chat. See you next time on Humans and Machines. Don't forget to subscribe and maybe even talk to your microwave. Who knows what's next?